though.
Okay, guys, let's go ahead and solve a problem using our UPS check. Let's read the problem the first time. A clothing store uses crates for storing jeans. Let's go ahead and stop right here. Let's understand we are on the U for the problem process. Let's understand what I read. Clothing store uses crates. Okay, I know the word for crates is boxes. And they're keeping jeans in those boxes. So now I know what I'm reading. The manager makes 7 rows of crates. So we're going to stop right here. The manager now has 7 rows of those boxes full of jeans. Let's stop right here. This is the word form. Let's write our standard form right above it. 6 crates are in each row. Slash, let's understand. So now I know I have 7 rows of 6 crates. More crates arrive the next day. There are now 2 times as many crates as the day before. Let's stop, slash, and go back and reread. There are now 2 times as many crates as the day before. Let's remember that 2 times means double, right? When we multiply by 2, we are using our doubles. How many crates are there in all? That's my question. I need to solve how many crates does the store have now. So, do we understand the problem? We know we have 7 rows of 6 boxes. Friendly language. Okay? The next day, we'll have double the amount before. And I'm looking for the total boxes. So we understand the problem. Let's go ahead and plan. P for planning. We can have our best friend come and help us. Let's draw our picture, our model, okay? So how many rows do we have? We know there's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many columns am I going to add to this array? If I'm displaying my problem in an array, how many columns do I need? This information comes from your boxes. There were 6 boxes. So let's finish our visual. This is 1 box, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will continue to stay kind of straight and organized so I know that I have the same amount per row, because the manager did only have 7 rows of 6 crates. Okay, so let's label rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, and column 6. So this, we know by now that we're doing a multiplication problem. What will be the factors we're going to use? Okay, so let's write our equation. I know that my first factor is going to be my rows times my number of columns. And that's going to give me a product. Okay, my product. If I do not have this in my memory yet, that's okay, because that's what the array is for. I can add all my little boxes, and I'm gonna end up with 42. Okay, so I'm solving now for the first time we meet the manager when he created 7 rows of crates with 6 crates in each row. But the problem said there are now 2 times as many crates when they had a delivery. So 2 times as many after delivery. Do we know what delivery means? They got more boxes. So let's go ahead and solve. S for solve. Let's do our math. What math do I need? So we said that the total, the product of his rows was 42. And we also reminded ourselves that we knew what 2 times as many meant. It means double the amount of that day. So I'm going to multiply 42 times 2. And that should give me the total at the store now. Okay. So we have many different ways. I can add 42 plus 42. Would that give me the same product? Yes. I can do the standard form because some of us are super good at this method already. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now across the tens, 2 times 4 equals 8. Or we can use our handy dandy expanded form where we label our boss. He's the boss. Now we're going to multiply by the value of the ones place. The value of 2 in the ones place is 2. The value of 4 in the tens place is 40. So let's make our life easier. 2 times 2 equals 4. Let's drag our 0 and forget about that 0. He's already in the house. 2 times 4 equals 8. Now we are ready to add the partial products. In the ones place, we have 4 plus 0 is 4. In the tens place, I'm going to bring down my 8, and I have a product of 84. Okay? I can check my problem by saying I have displayed 3 ways of solving it, and I have the same answer in those 3 methods. But this will be the easiest form to check your work. What is 42 2 times? 42 plus 42 equals 84. So we can say the store now has 84 crates. And this is how we'll always have a problem solved correctly. UPS check.